All right, and welcome back. Earlier in the program, we heard from ComonGround volunteer Abbie Rempel about strip tilling and fertilizer. And now Abbie is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
This looks like a great dip recipe. It's a corn dip, and you probably have maybe sampled something like this before at a picnic. And with Memorial Day coming up, Abbie thought this would be a good one to share.
That's what I thought. Exactly. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So where'd you get the recipe?
I got it off of Pinterest one time. I was looking for a quick and simple dip to make, and I was like, "It's Nebraska. Everybody loves corn. Let's do it."
Yeah, and I'm sure when you take it places, people love it.
For
right?
sure. Absolutely. Yes.
Okay. So tell us what we need to make
All right.
it.
So we just have like a cup of sour cream is already in there.
Okay.
And if you want to go ahead and mix in a cup of mayo.
Okay. Does it matter? Can you use light?
I think you can, absolutely. Okay. I feel like a dip is a dip, and whatever you add or don't add, it's totally fine.
Yeah, so if you want to lessen those calories.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. And then we have some diced chili peppers.
Ooh, okay.
And that I just actually use 2 cans on. So sometimes, you know, when it says a certain amount of ounces or whatever, I just add, or just get whatever I can.
Yeah, okay, that sounds good.
And then there's some jalapenos here as well, some chopped jalapenos.
Okay, so it's just kind of like a dump and stir.
Absolutely, yes. So it's just perfect. You can do it so quickly, make it quickly. Here is some pepper and some garlic powder as well.
Okay, and again, just keep stirring.
Yeah,
stirring.
for sure.
Okay, perfect.
Yep. And then it also calls for 3 cans of corn. Now I got like the Southwest corn, was able to pick that up at my local grocery store. But honestly, sometimes I've made it before and I've just used regular canned corn. Just make sure to drain it. So really, it's whatever kind of corn dip, or whatever corn you want to use.
Okay, so that's the key, is just to make sure to drain it.
Correct, yep.
Perfect. How many corn cans do you need?
3.
3, okay. And there's the recipe on your screen.
Perfect.
If people want to copy this down.
What kind of mayo?
Oh, John wants to know what kind of mayo.
I use Hellman's mayo.
Okay, does it matter?
I don't think it does. I really like Hellman's, and so that's what I use.
Yeah, so I know there's Miracle Whip or
Yes.
whatever.
I mean, I would think you could.
Yeah, I usually go for Hellman's Light.
Yes,
Kind of what I
yes.
go
And then just 16 ounces of shredded cheese as well.
with. Okay, wow, a lot of great cheese.
I know, right? A lot of good stuff in here.
Awesome, okay.
Yeah, so then you
keep
just
stirring.
stir it up, refrigerate it for at least 3 or 4 hours or overnight. The one that I made it last night, and so yeah, it's really well set up and
Ooh, all right.
ready to party, I guess.
Ready to go. I'm excited to give it a try here. Again, this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. It's also on my Facebook page if you want to copy it down. Very good, Abbie.
Awesome, thank you so much.
No, this is really tasty. If you're looking for a good dip, something for this time of year, this is perfect. Abbie, thanks.
Yes, thank you so much. I
I'll
appreciate
continue
it.
to eat.